We go home now. Aurora! Maleficent is a threat to everyone. We'll do our best to protect you. Well, well.
Hi guys, ANgelina here. Welcome back to this channel, and today I'm super excited. And by the way guys, if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for being here. If you're new, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And I'm so sorry I have a bare face. I'm just super excited to share to you guys the Maleficent Part 2. Oh my god, nakakaloka guys. Super blown out yung mind ko. I don't know how to explain. It's just super good. But anyway, regarding to that, I'm going to make, because I'm super inspired, I'm going to make a makeup tutorial for you. Maleficent, kahit malayo siya or whatever, I'm just excited to create something na para-pareho nun. Maleficent. Ang ganda niya guys, super. Basta, I'm going to tell you some details or review about the Maleficent movie this coming October 16, 2019 in all SM cinemas. So please, let's support yung mga fantasy. Gusto mga fantasy. Okay, so without further ado, let's hop into the video. So first, I already cleaned my face, and then hindi ako magpa-primer kasi gagawa tayo ng konting SFX lang. So start na tayo. Honestly guys, hindi ko alam paano to gamitin, but I'm super excited to use this one. This liquid latex is from a beauty vlogger as well. Si Sis Michiko, binigay niya sa akin. Meron siyang Shopee account. I'm going to link it in the description box or here at the screen. So, ito yung free niya na binigay. Ito siya. Liquid latex, naka-seal. Yung binili ko is yung Graftobian. So, yung liquid latex, guys, i-apply ko muna sa face ko. As in, wala akong kalam-alam nito, guys. Huwag niyo akong i-judge, ha. Lalagyan natin na cottons. Para pang ano ng ating cheeks. Konti lang siguro, no? Basta gusto kong, mataas na cheeks. Hindi talaga to perfect guys. Huwag na kayong umasa ha. Kasi first time ko tong gumamit ng liquid latex. No judging please. Be careful lang guys kasi nagsisting siya. Sana, hopefully, I will be able to pull this off. My god. Form nyo lang. After 47 years, hindi siya pantay. Ang layo. We will be using 128 na foundation from Maybelline. Gagamitin natin ang ingay ng airbrush, no?
Much later.
Diyos ko, guys. Pasensya na if ganito yung mukha ko. Anyway, proceed na tayo sa eyes. Set pala natin to ng guys. Powder. Pakapala na itong bukabes. Careful ako dito, no? Baka matanggal. Sana tissue yung ginamit ko, guys. Learning curve talaga to. Okay, guys. Huwag niyo yung pansinin niya na kasi siya na open ba. Kaya lagyan ko ng liquid latex. Hi! Lesson learned. Oh my god. So, let's proceed. Kahit ganito yung resulta, guys. Si Maleficent, tinignan ko kasi yung brows niya, guys. Simple lang. Hindi siya yung talagang glam. Parang feathery na simple look. Sa movie, super guys. I super love it. The cinematic is super good. I didn't expect the storyline kasi sabi ko, ay, parang iba na siya. Ibang story na siya. Hindi na siya yung Maleficent na original. Pero, so far na nandun si Maleficent, okay lang yung okay lang siya. As in, super, if you're going to see the movie, worth it talaga siya, guys. Wala kang pagsisisihan. Every penny na sinispend mo, talagang ganun, ang ganda. The director is very good kasi ang acting din ng the acting was super grabe. Wala akong masabi. ANgelina Jolie pa naman siya yung favorite Favorite ko talaga. So, we're going to add a bit of brown kasi yung brows niya, hindi matapang yung brows niya, guys. Alam mo, pag nakikita to ng mga SFX na makeup artist, pagtatawanan talaga ako. But please, comment down below kung ano yung dapat kong gawin, bakit ganito siya. Okay, I will be working with browns and blacks. Again, kung una to ng transition color, parang deep set, rounded ang peg. Napanood ko pala siya, guys, sa advanced screening sa SM City, Cebu. I was so lucky and super happy because I was able to attend that event. Thank you so much, SM City, Cebu, Sir RJ, for the invitation, and it was such a privilege to be there, guys, kung alam nyo lang. And then, bongga kasi IMAX siya. I will be smudging it with a brown color. I will be blending the lower lash line with parang ang black na ata nito, guys. Kanina smudge ko siya ng small blending brush. Now naman smudge ko siya ng malaking blending brush at saka yung mga excess dito sa I'm going to drag it inwards. Okay lang yun. Parang ganon. So, wala namang ganong ganap sa eyeshadow, guys. Imagine nyo na lang na bagong tubo tong dito ko, guys, ha? Yan. Shoop. Lashes na lang ng kulang at tapusin ko muna dito, ha? So, I'm putting on highlighter in this area, guys. Ito na yata ang end ng aking makeup career. Blend, blend, blend. Okay. Mag-lift yung ating eyes. Kahit ganito siya, guys, lagyan pa rin natin ng highlighter, no? Ang saya-saya ng light. No. Para mag-glow pa ganun, gosh. Light show. Lagyan lang natin dito ng mas darker color sa baba para bang mas yan. Halloween na to. Ang Halloween naman talaga tong entry na to. Basta i-blend nyo lang ng todo. We'll be adding more dito, ha? Hindi ko naintindihan yung pinagagawa ko. Best. Alam nyo, guys, yung mga negative na tao, wag natin pansinin, ha? Hopefully, guys, magustuhan nyo to. Pero talagang ang pangit ko talaga dito. Si Maleficent, guys, ang ganda niyang hugis ng mukha niya. Akin lang talaga tong pangit, no? Nung bakit sa'yo? Red my lips. Lagyan natin ng to siya, guys? It's from Cept na lip lacquer. Glossy parang. Guys, you really need to watch Maleficent, ha? Support mga dyan. Support kit ng mga characters, guys, as in no. Parang alien na nagawa ko. Hindi naman to Maleficent. Alien day. Ano to, guys? Garbage bag lang to. Meron akong nabili. Ang cute. As in, super cute. Nabili ko to siya for 57 pesos. Ayan. Headband lang yung katapat. Kasi dapat nakaganito yung horn. Bakit naman ganyan? Oh, no? Hello, Beastie. Best. Guys, hindi ko alam kung ito ba yun. Hindi. Kasi ang ganda kasi ng movie. Hindi ako makapag-concentrate sa mga details. Pero nung meron siya, nag-transform kasi siya into something big and huge. Tapos pagbalik niya, ganito. Meron na siyang black something dyan. Mga dyan. Basta. So that's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video, and please watch Maleficent, guys, on October 16 on SM Cinema, and see you soon on my next video. So bye-bye for now. Saranghe. Pasado ba, guys? Pasado ba? Pinaghirapan ko talaga to, guys. Yan. Love on.